Good morning friends. Before this video we have seen active and passive voice and how to change voice. My dear friends, through this video we will learn about active and passive voice of various tenses. And you know that when we will change the voice of any statement, its meaning must be the same and also its tense must be the same. There should not any kind of change into the tense and the central theme of the given statements. What do I mean by central theme? My dear friends, in active to passive voice there will be change in subject and object's position and many more changes will be there. We will see further. While there will be such changes, but the central theme and the tense of the statement will be the same. Let us see how. At first we will see the example of simple present tense or present indefinite tense. What is the active voice? He sings songs. My dear friends, I have told in my previous video that there are few stairs what we have to cover to change the sentence from active to passive. At first we have to recognize the components of the statement and tense of the statement. He sings songs. Here he is subject, sing is verb and songs is object. And this is first form of verb, and we know that in the present indefinite tense S is with verb when the subject is of singular number. So what is the formula of active voice? Subject plus is MR plus V1 plus object, and in case of singular number subject there is S with V1. Now what will be the passive voice? You know that object will be in the position of subject, then it will be songs here. Then I told you that the tense will be the same. That's why in the active voice tense is present indefinite tense. So in passive it will also be present indefinite tense, and in present indefinite tense we use are with plural object, so songs are. In passive voice we always use V third, so V third is sing, sung. Subject is he, then it will be him, because we use in passive voice by before the doer of the verb. Here verb is sing and doer is he, then he will be converted into him and by will be inserted before him, and the passive voice will be of this statement, songs are sung by him. So the formula will be subject plus is MR plus V third plus by plus object. Okay, so in this way you can change active voice into passive voice of each and every tense by using some rules of the grammar. So my dear friends, let us see what are the rules and what is the form of active to passive voice of different tenses. In past indefinite tense, formula of active voice is subject plus V2 plus object. You know very well. In passive voice we use subject plus was or were according to the subject, and then V3 as per the rule of passive voice plus by plus object. In perfect tense of present active voice we use subject plus has, have plus V3 plus object. But in passive voice, we use subject plus has or have plus been plus V3 plus by plus object. Here the change is insertion of been and by, been before V3 and by before object. Similarly, in past perfect tense, we use subject plus had plus V3 plus object. In passive voice, we use subject plus had plus been plus V3 plus by plus object. And in future perfect tense, the active voice formula is subject plus will or shall plus have plus V3 plus object. And in passive voice, subject plus will or shall plus have been plus by plus V3 plus object. In continuous tense of present and past, we use ing form of verb like the formula. In active, subject plus is or am plus are plus v plus ing plus object. In passive voice, we use subject plus is or am or are plus being plus V3 plus by plus object. And in past continuous tense, we use in passive voice subject plus was or were plus being plus V3 plus by plus object. Now, I hope you can convert the voice of given statement. So my dear friends, all the best for your exam and for this practice. Here are few examples for your practice. Just read it and practice for your exam.